Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has revolutionized cooking for many households, the Nuwave Bravo Pro 10-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. We found this impressive appliance online and have included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. The Nuwave Bravo Pro is more than just an air fryer, it's a multifunctional countertop combo that boasts 10 cooking functions in one powerful device. This means you can air fry, grill, bake, reheat, toast, broil, and even dehydrate food, making it an incredibly versatile addition to your kitchen. One of the standout features of the Bravo Pro is its high-speed fan technology. With a newly designed 2025 fan and housing, it delivers cooking speeds that are an astonishing 100% faster than previous models. This means you can achieve crispy, golden brown results in less time. Whether you're whipping up a quick snack or preparing a family meal, the Bravo Pro ensures your food is cooked evenly and efficiently. Another impressive aspect is its customizable pizza oven settings. For pizza lovers, you can adjust the ratio of the top and bottom heaters from 0 to 100% and tweak the convection fan speed to create the perfect heating zones. For instance, if you're baking a thick pizza, setting the bottom heaters to 70% power and the top heaters to 30% will give you that perfect combination of a crunchy crust and perfectly melted cheese. The Bravo Pro also excels in even cooking across multiple layers, thanks to its advanced convection system. It maintains a temperature difference of just 0 to 1 degree Fahrenheit between layers, allowing you to cook several dishes at once without worrying about uneven results. This is particularly useful for meal prepping or when you have guests over and need to prepare multiple items simultaneously. With a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer toaster oven provides versatility in cooking. It features adjustable fan speeds from 0 to 3, and its temperature range can be set from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. This flexibility means you can easily switch between cooking methods and styles to suit your dish. So, who is the Nuwave Bravo Pro ideal for? If you're someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen or you have a busy lifestyle that demands quick meal solutions, this appliance is definitely for you. It's perfect for families, individuals who enjoy cooking, or anyone looking to simplify their meal prep without sacrificing quality. Practical use cases for the Bravo Pro are nearly endless. You can prepare crispy air-fried chicken wings for game day, bake a delicious lasagna for family dinners, or even reheat leftover pizza without it turning soggy. The dehydrate function allows you to make your own healthy snacks, like dried fruit or jerky, while the keep warm feature ensures your meals are served hot and fresh. Overall, the Nuwave Bravo Pro 10-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their cooking game. It's user-friendly, versatile, and packed with features that cater to a variety of cooking needs. If you're ready to take your kitchen skills to the next level, this could be the appliance you've been looking for. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.